Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the right alloy and securing the tube. You need 6061 or 6063 for predictable results. Once clamped in a soft jaw vise and marked, you heat a 2 to 3 inch zone evenly to 300-400 degrees F to soften the metal without burning the temper. You heat slowly and rotate the tube so temperature is uniform. This reduces cracking and springback. Make sure to protect adjacent areas with heat-resistant cloth and have gloves and eye protection ready before bending. You now place the heated zone against the bending form or mandrel, sized to the tube outside diameter. A filler like sand prevents kinks for thin walls. Once positioned, you apply steady, controlled pressure with a lever or pipe bender. Slow is better because aluminum work hardens quickly. As you approach the target angle, pause and reheat the zone every 30 to 60 seconds to maintain ductility. You should feel the metal move smoothly. If it resists, stop and reheat to avoid cracking. You finish by letting the bend cool gradually or quench briefly if the design tolerates it, because abrupt cooling can warp thin tubes. Once cool, you check for springback and make small corrective bends using low heat and light pressure. This restores the exact angle while preserving strength. If you see surface cracks, stop. Either cut out the damaged section or anneal the area and rebend at a lower temperature with gentler forming. A single corrective tip: reheating targeted spots prevents overworking and reduces failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.